Good morning, friends. The cloud of oppression is lifting, and we don't have doubt and fear and negative energies within us anymore. A mystical encounter will change your path. Be prepared. The advice from Spirit is when there are questions you need assistance with, go inward. Sit with yourself, meditate on the question, ask for the angel's helps also. Then trust your intuition, as most often the answer and guidance will be delivered to you intuitively. We are with you always, and they want you to keep your life in balance. They say your guardian angels are watching over you. They are bringing you the stabilizing influence in your life. They want you to slow down and take your time. There is no need to rush everything. You're already doing your part. Trust that what belongs in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. You have great worry over nothing. You've gained confidence and self inner peace, and they say that something is coming your way. It's going to come as a new beginning, and you must embrace it. They say they see that you are on the brink of a breakthrough that you have patiently been waiting for. A situation is about to come full circle. The lessons have been learned. This is a win win situation for you. Trust that we are working behind the scenes to ensure the best outcome for you. There has been muddled and unclear thinking, but you were able to break the chains that were holding you back, and you still have to be aware of hidden truths. They will be still revealed to you. And they say those difficult times will pass. Nothing bad lasts forever. The sun will shine again. The birds will sing. The clouds will clear. And you'll be glad you kept moving forward. You'll soon be rewarded for your patience. Hold on. You are far stronger than you think. You are going to have a victory in some endeavor, and your wishes are going to come true. Your loved ones say work with others to make a situation come about. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.